Let's bring in Gilbert Joekpata now, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Laddie. Great to be here.
Fantastic. Great to have you. Well, we did see some outcomes there from the FOMC meeting yesterday. The committee voted unanimously to keep the benchmark overnight borrowing rate in a targeted range between 5.25% and 5.5%. Committee members penciled in at least 3 rate cuts in 2024. Quite incredible. Officials have also stressed their willingness to hike rates again if inflation flares up. Gilbert, how do you see the outcome yesterday?
Okay, those who had followed our conversation about inflation and interest rates, I think wouldn't have been surprised with the outcome of yesterday's unanimous decision by the Federal Open Markets Committee. And also let us know that we are no longer in a recession. I know that could be debated or not. But overall, in summary of the outcome of yesterday's meeting is that, well, sounded quite dovish. And you know what this means for risk-on asset. This is good for risk-on asset, the stock market and crypto as well in particular. But what was more interesting for me was not necessarily the outcome of the meeting. It was actually the market reaction to yesterday's outcome of the meeting. You know, the Dow Jones started having a rally while the meeting was taking place because what Powell was saying was quite dovish and it hit an all-time high. Nasdaq and the S&P also began an upward trend. BTC started its retracement from a downward movement and began an upward trend, which actually closed above its resistance. And this is actually a bullish divergence, which means that the bears have lost power. And this is actually the beginning of a macro bull market, more like a beginning of a new macro trend. I'm not saying that the market will not retrace or there may not be a black swan, but this is actually the beginning of a healthy bullish movement for the market. And this is actually principle based, like the outcome of the meeting is not surprising if you understand history, market structure as well, because they can't keep increasing rate at this time. Because the economy will soon become too hard for the poor and the middle class, and the elections are by the corner. Biden is now about to go into the election with the economy looking bad. Overall, this is quite a good thing because it's a good thing for the cryptocurrency market because we have BTC halving next year. We have the ETF approval on the standby. The Fed have stopped increasing rate. We had XRP victory in court. Binance decision. We also have Grayscale decision as well in court. I think we are on for a grand bull market. This will actually be the biggest bull market we have probably seen. The stock market is heavily pumped with the news, and crypto is next. I think the typical runway bull market is just next door.
Definitely, we keep tracking to see if this bullish move is really sustainable in this market. Thank you so much, Gilbert Joekpata, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thanks for having me, Mr. Laddie.
Yep. So, top losers now. We're seeing quite lean losses there. Aptus, $8.33, 1.95% down. We see Monero, too, on the losers counted as a privacy coin, $168.43, down about 0.65%. So, that's how the market is looking here. It was bearish before, but after the FOMC meeting, the bulls are back.
Yeah, the bulls are back. We want to see Bitcoin at 60,000 before the end of December, Laddie. That's your target.
That's the Oliver Twist in you, speaking right now.
All right, so that's it.